Hey YouTube, wow, go on, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna go over this Honda key. So if your key look like this, it will work for all the tricks I'm gonna show you. It's gonna work for your passport, Honda Pilot, a card, and also your what other car is there? The Insight, and the other car should be your CRV. So it will work for your CRV. So first thing first, if you want to wind down your window, you want to press this 2 times, but on the second time you hold it down. So 1 2, and you hold it down, and all the windows will wind down, and your sunroof will also open. But my sunroof is already lifted up like this, so that's why it doesn't go back in. So, and another thing, if you try to close it, it won't close the window. But what you can do is take the key out from here by just pulling this tab right here. The key will come out just like that, and you can use the key in the door. So it's a lot of wind out here, so I'm trying to cover the mic, so that's why you see me holding the camera like this. But you hold the door like this, do it 2 times, and it will close everything, including your sunroof. So as you can see, the sunroof closed. So I'm going to go ahead and open it again just to show you the sunroof open this time. So the next step on the CRV, you come right here, you press that, and it will open it. So whether you have the CRV, you can press the button to close it back. So whether you have the CRV or the passport or the Pilot, it will do the same thing, just like that. Let's go to the next step. So guys, what you want to do is, for the other one, you got to be in the radio. So you got to make sure your radio on. Then you want to press home, go to settings, go to vehicle, and keyless access setup. So you can press that, and this is the feature I'm trying to show you right here, walk away auto lock. So once you turn this on, mine is enabled, so you press that, enable that. So what that's gonna do, when you close the door and walk away from the door, it's gonna lock the car for you without you touching anything. Just by you having the key on you and walking away from the car, it's gonna lock that. And the other thing is, when you hold the like that, when you hold the driver door handle or the 2 front handles, when you hold the 2 front handles, you can set it to where the driver door or the tailgate open by just holding the handle, or you can just set it to all doors. I set that to all doors, so once I hold my handle, all my doors open. You can set that differently if you want. So let's go outside and demonstrate those 2 features I just showed you. So the first features I'm going to show you is, look, you can see I can open the door. I have the key in my pocket. I keep my hand in frame. Once you close that, you just walk away from the vehicle, and you will hear it beep twice. So the first beep will let you know, hey, all doors are closed. So once you walk away, you're good. Because if you close the door just like this, you're not going to hear that other beep. So even if you walk away from the car, it's still not going to close. So you got to make sure you close the door properly. So you hear that beep, then you walk away from the car, and then you hear the other beep. So that's how that works. So as you can see, the next one, what I set to when I hold my handle, all my doors open. So that's the next features to turn on. And the last thing, guys, is how to change your battery. So let's go ahead and do that. So you want to squeeze this right here, pull this out. You see this gap between there. you want to force your key in it and twist it. And once you twist it, it's gonna start come apart. And you continue to work your way right around, and your battery is right here. The battery take is a CR2032. Get it to focus right there. And to pop it out, you just pry the edge off a little bit, and that's it. Your battery comes out. And the next thing is, you might take this out and all your buttons fall out just like that. You don't have to worry, guys, if your button fall out just like that. You can just simply put it back in place. Just don't have it this way, have it this way. Basically, it show you how everything goes. This part that have holes right there, show you that it goes like this, because you can see the little gap right here. So you put this one just like that, and then you can get the rest of the button. But let's put this one. So that one goes at the top. And what you will notice, like on the side, you will have one dot right here, and you have one dot in there, two dot right here, three dot down there. And that's the easy way to know which button goes where, by just looking at it. So this have two dots on it, so you see the two dots right there, two on the back. That's the easiest way to know that button go right there. So put that button, put this button right here. So patient is the key for this one right here. While working on a key, have to have patience. And then you can just put this part in, because this help hold the buttons too. So once that's locked in, that's good. If you look on this side, you will see 3, so you know you're gonna put the 3 in, and make sure you have this partition. After you put the 2 button, you want to put back that part, and then you have this 3, the long line. So 3 dots go over here, the line go over there. So go ahead, put that back right there. You can get this. Make sure you have the 2 button at the top and 3 button down here. Put this back right here, and now you have your buttons. Make sure they work. You can hear they click. And back to changing the battery. If you're going to change your battery, you would pull it out, put it back in. So make sure you put this part on the first, and then you slide the rest in down like that. Once that's done, you can get this, lock this back into place. So make sure you press it until it shuts seal. Get back your key, put it back in, and that's it, guys. Peace out. See you next time. Like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out.